Oh my god, it's light. Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing of my new camera. How am I gonna open this? Hold on. Okay, I have a knife now. Wait, I didn't need one. Did I? Oh my god, that took forever. It has the mic handle, mini tripod. Okay, I don't know how to carrying bag. It might collect the windscreen for the mic, from the wide angle lens, and a strap. Oh my god, it's so exciting. This is kind of more exciting. So the strap is oh. Oh. Is everything in there? Okay, wait, I'm just gonna empty it. Okay, no, it was. Oh, just take this. Yes, it is. That's so cool. Okay, let's go. This is charging stuff all first. Oh, that's the protective case. I'll do that but first. Oh. Okay. It's got like a suede lining inside. Really excited. Okay. I love the case. It's really like high quality. Oh, she's so small. Oh, I turned it on by mistake. That's the coolest thing ever. It's so small. Okay. Little compartments and stuff. It's really cute. This is the mic is so cool. That's a really cool looking mic. Okay. Okay, this is the tripod. There's the bottom part and strap, charging cable. Oh my god, it's so small. It's the magnet. The wide angle lens. Well, that's the case. Okay, wait, this is really exciting. So much stuff. Okay, oh my god. Okay. Mounting and charging. It's so small. I'm gonna leave it there so you guys can see it. Tripod. It's actually really good quality. Everything's like, do you hear that? Gagged. Okay, wait. Period. Anyway. And then this is the extra like battery mount thing. I'm gonna put her on charge actually. Like, really cool. Like you can see the tech inside. You can clip it. That's so satisfying as well. Everything's just well done. There's this. I definitely will be needing this. Fluffy thing for Mike. Oh shit. Oh wait, it's so cute. Okay, vlogger. I think that's more discreet. Okay. Thing. Oh my god, that's so strong. Gosh. Cute. Completes my videos. It's really nice. The wide angle lens, which is like magnetic onto. Oh my god, she's like so. Oh, I turned it on again by mistake. That works. It doesn't seem very strong, but my big ass forehead, like 3-finger forehead, actually. English. Like a 3-minute video on DJI's website, and this is the coolest part. It's like I think it's like love. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, no SD card. This is so cool. Oh my god, it's giving. Oh, this is weird. Oh my god, that's so sick. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm really overwhelmed right now. This. Oh, I didn't realize there was a sticker here.